Hello and welcome. Today we are going to dive into the beautiful world of Canva. Now, in this video, I'll be teaching you what is the use of effects, what is animate, and what is position. And I'll be guiding you some steps of how to use these three effects in Canva. So, first of all, let me brief you. What are effects? So, effects in Canva are powerful tools that allow you to enhance your designs with various visual elements from filters to animation. How you can use these three elements in Canva. So, let's get started. First of all, I have opened one blank page and here I have clicked on this text section and I have added a heading here. And for example, I have written my channel name, which is Vedio Works. So, as we all know that we can change our text color also, or we have to make it bold, we can make it, or we have to change it font, so we can also do it. So I'm not going in that brief now. So I don't want to change my color. So directly going on this effect section, you have to click on it. So choose the effect you want to use from the drop down menu. Adjust the setting to your liking. For example, I am choosing shadow. Here I have chosen the shadow effect. Now I'll adjust it. Now as you can see that the shadow is being increasing when I am dragging it toward my right hand side, and the shadow is decreasing when I'm dragging it toward my left hand side. We can change the shadow direction also. So here my shadow is in center right now. Now is it in right, and now is it in at the top. Let's make it toward the left hand side. Here you go. Now we can blur it also if you want to, but I don't want to blur it. And now it's the time for the transparency. Let's take it. This is perfect. You can select the color also. So I'll go for white. You can choose it accordingly. And here is the shape option also, where we can make it curve. I'll keep it simple only. And here are the colors, where you want to outline it, make it spice, make it hollow, lift it up, or you want some glitch effect, or you want some neon effect. It's up to you. So I'll go with the glitch effects. There you go. Now moving forward, now I'm going to tell you about this animate option. You have to click on it and then you'll see various type of animate here. So here is rise, pan, fade, pop, wipe, breath, baseline, drift, tectonic, etc, etc. So choose it accordingly. So I like this typewriter, so I'll do this. And you can select the animate option whether you want from both the side or on center or on exit. So I'll go for both sides, and then we can adjust its speed, whether you want it slow or you want it fast. It's up to you. So we can change its writing style also. We want on board or on character, so character is perfect. Otherwise we can there are many more options here. Let's go for this. Same, and select on both sides. Now if you scroll down, you'll see more motion effects. It's on, first one is rotate, then is flicker, pulse, wiggle. I will go for this flicker one. Now we can also select its speed also, whether we want in slow motion or we want in fast. It's up to us. Now let's talk about page animation. Here are some animations for which you will have to select it. So I have selected this one. Next, moving forward. Next, I'll be telling you about position element in Canva. First of all, let's talk about what is position. So position in Canva refers to the arrangement of elements on your Canva. So think of it as the placement of your text, images and other designs. Let's start by adding some elements to our Canva. First, we'll go on the element section, and for suppose I'll take ice cream. Let's keep it sided now. Okay. So here we have taken ice cream. Now I'll be selecting rectangle. Okay. I'll change its color. I'll turn it into black. Okay, no, white works. Okay. So once we have added the elements, you'll notice a toolbar at the top. Here you can find the position. Here. So once you are done with the element, here you can see the position option. You have to click on it, and then so now we have the position tool. So this let us adjust the position of our elements by entering specific value for their XY coordinates. So by this we can arrange our tool. This lets us bring our tool forward or see them backward in the stacking order. So finally we have distribute the tools. So if I want my ice cream to come in forward, so I'll click on it. It's already in forward right now, so I'll make it backward. Like this I can make it backward, and by clicking on forward I can do it easily. To back, forward, backward, forward, backward. So here we can align the page also. We can make it on top, we can make it on left, center, middle, bottom, right, etc, etc. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.